Hello everyone. In this video, we will learn how to use Mapsly API to update data from an external data source in real time. This tutorial assumes that you've already connected a data source to Mapsly. Once your data source is configured and the initial dataset is loaded, disable data sync with this Google spreadsheet by turning this switch to off. Then, generate an API key to your newly created data source by following the steps on the screen. Now let's open the Mapsly API documentation page. Here, you will see that there are two API endpoints, insert update records and delete records. Let's start with the insert/update records endpoint. We will copy the request and import it to our Postman for testing. Note that in the body of the request, we added the ID, revenue, and type fields. Let's send the request. As we can see, the request has been successfully processed, and we updated our record via API. Now let's test the delete endpoint. We will import this request into Postman just like we did with the other endpoint. Let's send the request. As we can see, the request has been successfully processed, and we no longer see that record in our Mapsly account. Alright, well, that is all for now. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.